Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most exciting luxury performance pickups of the year, the 2025 Mercedes G63 AMG Pickup. Yes, you heard that right. Mercedes has taken the iconic G-Class DNA and blended it with pickup practicality, delivering something truly unique. So let's take a closer look at what this beast has to offer. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 G63 AMG Pickup is a bold and aggressive machine. It keeps the unmistakable boxy silhouette of the G-Class SUV, but extends it with a rugged, open cargo bed. The wide stance, squared-off LED headlights, and Pan-Americana grille let you know immediately that this is an AMG product. It rides on massive 22-inch alloy wheels with flared fenders and a lifted suspension that not only enhance its presence, but also improve off-road capability. The ground clearance is impressive, and the rear features a heavy-duty bumper with a reinforced IR tailgate, making it both stylish and functional. The pickup also includes roof rails, side steps, and carbon fiber accents, reinforcing the mix of luxury and utility. Under the hood, the G63 AMG Pickup is powered by the same 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine found in its SUV counterpart. This power plant delivers an astonishing 577 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 9-speed AMG SpeedShift automatic transmission and 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, this pickup can launch from 0 to 60 km/h in just under 4.5 seconds, unheard of for a vehicle in this category. Despite its size and weight, the adaptive suspension and dynamic drive modes allow it to handle with surprising agility, whether you're on pavement or heading off-road. Mercedes has also enhanced its off-road capabilities with locking differentials, hill descent control, and adjustable ride height, giving you true versatility whether you're climbing trails or cruising city streets. Moving inside, the cabin is pure Mercedes-Benz luxury. The moment you step in, you're greeted by premium materials, Napa leather seats with diamond stitching, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient lighting that lets you set the mood. The digital cockpit features a massive dual-screen layout with the latest MBUX infotainment system, offering seamless navigation, voice control, and smartphone integration. Heated and ventilated seats come standard, as does a premium Burmester surround sound system. There's ample legroom and storage, especially in the rear, making this a comfortable ride whether you're hauling gear or heading out on a long road trip. The pickup bed is lined and features cargo management rails, so practicality hasn't been sacrificed for style. As for pricing, the 2025 Mercedes G63 AMG Pickup comes at a premium. Starting at around $175,000, it's clearly aimed at a niche market. Those who want AMG performance, ultra-luxury, and pickup capability all in one bold package. Add a few options like the carbon fiber package or AMG night package, and you're easily looking at $190,000 or more. But for those who want to stand out with a one-of-a-kind vehicle, it's a price they're willing to pay. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest and greatest vehicles. See you in the next one.